Hi there, my name is Heather Lamar, and today I will be presenting a description of my Webspace project. I want to make sure my audience clearly understands my website's purpose. The title of my website is called Professionalism because I want to portray myself as an evolving student on my way to success. In this site, I talk about my background and experiences, and then I also have a resume, samples of my work, and an external link. The metaphor I will be using to construct my webspace is considered an informational webspace because I am trying to get my information out to the public. My table of contents is displayed as a menu bar. The page opens up to my homepage, which tells my audience this is an informational webspace that displays my professional work. My professor recommended that I incorporate a professional logo, which I will be adding in on the final. My bio section introduces myself and my experiences. It describes information I have gotten out of my classes and how I have applied them to my work, inside and outside of school. It also makes mention of my minor, which is graphic design. The next section is my resume, which gives contact information, work experience, education, and skills. There is also an additional link on this page that brings users to the Professional and Technical Writing Program link on the SVSU website. I thought this would be a good idea to add in so future employers have background information about the technical writing program at SVSU. The link can be found right here. The next section is my sample text page, which shows specific examples of my work. Not only does it show work from school, but it shows my involvement outside of school. The last section is my external links page, which brings users to my LinkedIn profile. I thought by adding this in, employers could see my connections and my endorsements. Overall, this site is still in progress. As far as visual content goes, I will be adding in more samples of my work, as well as a splash page that represents my personal style. Other sections will also be added to my menu bar. The theme is aimed to be professional, so I am trying to achieve a sophisticated style. If I go to my dashboard, I can show you that for each page I can edit the code. Most people didn't know that about WordPress. They just assumed it was a blog website. So here it shows you what I have, and if I click text, I can edit anything I want. And if I go back to this, it will show me what I have changed. So thanks for listening, guys. So since I have some extra time on this video, I guess I can talk about what things I need to change. So my professor suggested that I incorporate a professional logo, and I will probably do that in InDesign or Adobe Illustrator. I guess that's a really good idea because then I can kind of brand certain things of my own. There are some navigation problems too that aren't really smoothly, that aren't running very smoothly, and I'll be fixing that as well. I will be adding in a splash page as well, and the purpose of that will be to make a positive impression and communicate my brand. And my menu bar could stay a little bit more consistent, I guess, if I go here. I think what I want to do is maybe add in a couple more titles up here so there are more options to click on. So thank you for listening again.